Hundreds of students learn several topics at Knowbbies every month. I am Pratik and I welcome you to Knowbbies YouTube channel. I was keen to know what exactly they do after going home. Do they really work on it? Do they really practice at home? Do they really start their own business? So recently, we sent one message to all of our students asking to send them their creations, their work, and the response received was amazing. Knowbbies students are crazy. You have done such a lovely work, such an in-depth work, and I'm glad to see that many of you have started taking orders. There are several students who learn from Knowbbies to start their own business, but there are so many students who learn something or other at Knowbbies just to improve their skills, just to introduce something new at their home, just to cook something new for their family. There are many students who attend our courses as a stress buster. They feel attending Knowbbies course is best way of relaxation. So there are many picks from students who have just done it for themselves or their family. So if you like to place orders with the students, you can call the number shown on the screen just below their name. Most of the students showcased here are from Pune. So let's get started and watch amazing collection of work done by Knowbbies students.